This video is about Amazon Route 53. Introduction. Amazon Route 53 is a scalable and highly available domain name system (DNS) service by AWS. It translates domain names into IP addresses, ensuring reliable routing for internet traffic to AWS resources. Let's take a look at how Amazon Route 53 plays a crucial role in connecting clients to resources hosted in the AWS cloud. Imagine a client enters a domain name such as example.com into their browser. This action triggers a DNS query to resolve the domain name into its corresponding IP address. Amazon Route 53, acting as the DNS service, steps in to resolve the query. It searches for the public IP address associated with example.com. In this case, the IP address might be something like 93.184.216.34. Once the IP address is identified, Route 53 sends it back to the client's browser. Now, the browser knows where to send the request. The resolved IP address directs the client to a specific resource, such as an AWS EC2 instance hosted in the AWS cloud. This instance handles the request and delivers the website or application to the client. In summary, Amazon Route 53 seamlessly resolves domain names to IP addresses, ensuring reliable and scalable communication between users and AWS-hosted resources. It's a critical component in managing DNS for cloud applications. You may be curious why it is named Route 53. Amazon Route 53 is named after Route 66, the famous highway, symbolizing reliable connectivity. The number 53 refers to the default port used by the DNS protocol. Amazon Route 53 is a highly available, scalable, fully managed, and authoritative DNS. The authoritative DNS implies that the customer, you, can update the DNS records. Route 53 is also a domain registrar and allows you to check your resources' health. Route 53 is the only AWS service that provides 100% SLA.